Welcome to Roofing Quick Tips, where we answer your roofing questions in 60 seconds or less. Today we're going to be talking about how we clean up after a roof replacement so you know what standards to hold your roofing contractor to after they finish your roof replacement. Let's get into it. Before we start a roof replacement, we normally put tarps from the gutters down to the ground or over, say, your deck or your air conditioning unit, just to make sure that we can control where any debris that gets away from us falls to. During the roofing process, we're going to be hand carrying as much of the debris as possible over to the edge of the roof and pitching it into the dump receptacle to keep as much of that debris off the ground. We're also going to have a man that's on the ground dedicated to nothing but keeping anything that gets away from the roofers off the ground and in that dump receptacle. After we get done installing the shingles, we're going to take a magnet and run it around your house several times just to make sure that we've gotten all the stray nails and take them with us. We're also going to run a blower over all the hard surfaces like your deck, driveway, sidewalks, just to make sure that your property is cleaner than it was when we got there, if that's possible. Now you know how clean your property should be after a roof replacement. If you want to find a contractor that'll clean your property like it was their own, then click on the link below or at the end of this video and watch our video on how to hire a good roofing contractor. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Thanks again for watching the Roofing Channel. Remember to like and subscribe so other homeowners like you can get that valuable education they need before making that large purchasing decision. We'll catch you on the next one.